So how do you make a money-making blog? How many people want to make a money-making blog here? Awesome. You came to the right place. Okay. Can we lower that down, Matt? So I'm going to talk about 3 M's of blogging. First of all is making a blog. That's step number 1. Secondly is marketing your blog. And then third is monetizing your blog. So I'll go through the 3 M's. I'm a big fan of alliteration. So first of all is making a blog. You know, at the beginning, like I said, you need to have a purpose, but you also need to have a target market, your niche. So with my target market, my ideal clients, my ideal readers are Vancouver entrepreneurial dads. It's not like I want to reach every dad around the world, all few billion of them, or even all dads across North America, or even all dads across Canada. I really want to target Vancouver dads, and I don't even want to target, you know, the 9-to-5 working dads. I want to target entrepreneurial dads, and also entrepreneurial new dads, because I'm a new dad, I have 2 little kids, so I can relate to them more and impact and influence them more than maybe someone who's been a dad for a lot longer than myself. So you need to have a domain registration and hosting. You know, these are like the basics. Who here is here to GoDaddy? Yeah. And there's no connection with GoDaddy and Daddy Blogger, by the way. And you know, something like HostGator. So GoDaddy for the domain registration, HostGator for the hosting of your website. I would really suggest starting with a logo for your blog. A lot of bloggers, when they start out, they just start a WordPress site. They just start writing. They don't really have a brand. They haven't built up a logo around it. So I would say from the get-go, you know, create a logo around your brand. And also blog consistently and frequently and be purposeful in what you're doing.